Hello. I used to make some talks about gear sets modeled with Fusion 360. My gear models follow some common threads. They are modeled as a matting pair, their tooth profile is shaped in a circular inward curve, and I made it a point of making them parametric, and I went as far as I could. Thus, each gear set has tens of user parameters. I decided to make this gear summary because Fusion 360 seriously improved lately in both performance and reliability. Before that, my gear models were putting Fusion 360 to the hard test. Starting with the Spur gear, modeled with the help of 52 user parameters. Many of those parameters are helpers and should not be modified. I selected some of them as favorite. We can play with them. The Helical gear model. 57 user parameters. A helical gear is like a spur gear whose teeth are twisted along a helical path in the axial direction. Teeth can be seen perpendicular to the gear axis, or perpendicular at any point on the helical path. In the first case, tooth profiles are based on an axial system. In the second case, they are based on a normal system. The screw gear model. "66 user parameters. A screw gear is a helical gear based on a normal system. The helix angle can be different for each gear. This allows connecting shafts at any angle. This might be the most spectacular of my gear models. It shows that a worm gear is a screw gear with an extreme helix angle and a tooth count down to 1 if wanted. The Bevel gear model. 52 user parameters. Bevel gear teeth are proportioned in accordance with the standard system of tooth proportions used for spur gears. Since teeth are tapered, those proportions are referenced to the outer end. Most bevel gears are right angle. My model has a user parameter to adjust this angle, so other values can be tried out. The spiral bevel gear model. 94 user parameters. This one has been quite a challenge. I already shown in a previous presentation the guidelines to model it. I explained that obtaining a curved tooth was done slicing a straight tooth in a few samples, which then were progressively rotated around their corresponding cone axis. At that time I cut the tooth in 7 slices. Now there are 12. I'm not sure there is a benefit, but there is a cost. More calculations for Fusion 360. The Globoid gear model. 24 user parameters. Well, this is an intruder. It has also been quite a challenge. It is a model of my own, for which I have not technically researched. At first I thought I could obtain this gear set starting from the cylindrical worm gear. without success. So I looked for some inspiration on other presentations, and here is my achievement. Here we are, all gear sets unveiled. Thanks for watching.